Please share your screen, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Wait for a few minutes. I will share.
Okay.
Is my screen is visible? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Dr. Sanyogita Shahi, Professor, Department of Chemistry from Kalinga University, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Today, our topic is medicinal chemistry and job, which is. Hello.
1 minute, ma'am. First, I will introduce you. Then you can start.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, everyone. Present here virtually. I am Samiksha here and welcome you all for today's session, which is titled as Medicinal Chemistry. And presenting this session, we have with us our today's expert, Dr. Sayogita Shahi ma'am. Dr. Sayogita Shahi ma'am is doctorate in organic chemistry from Lucknow University, Uttar Pradesh. She is working as professor department of science chemistry. She has delivered 40 technical talk at national and international platforms. She has published 42 papers in national and international SCI, Scopus, Web of Science, UGC Index Journal. She has also presented 25 papers in national and international conference. She has 22 patents in national and international, in which 9 grant. Without wasting much time, I am welcome to Sayogita Shahi ma'am. You may start now, ma'am.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Today, our topic is medicinal chemistry and their scope for job. Is my screen is visible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Medicinal chemistry is basically chemistry of medicine and basic chemistry, and it is required for discovery, development, and interpretation of biologically active compound, which is used as a medicine, either in direct form or in indirect form. A medicinal or pharmaceutical chemist researchers create chemical compounds and apply their application in chemical research techniques and different separation methods to introduce their vital roles on human beings and animals and plants and more many things. Vital roles means they're basically active metabolites which are present in these compounds, or either in plants or in synthetically or synthesized compounds. These compounds are used as a medicine. Why medicine is required? Medicine is required for healing of healing of disease or cure of disease as a healing agent, or as a active agent for cure of different type of disease. It is also used in plants, animals, and different things. In medicinal chemistry, we cannot define medicinal chemistry in half an hour and or 1 hour. Basically we are focused on medicinal chemistry applied, medicinal chemistry which is applied for job oriented way. That is if you study medicinal chemistry, in which stream you can apply for job. Ma'am, can you inform me about time duration for this webinar? Accordingly, I summarize my topic. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
In medicinal chemistry, research and development chemical compounds that use as a pharmaceutical drugs, and a team work on different way and different particular area, which are known as chemists or scientists, to create new drugs or testing methods for the product. In present era, medicinal chemistry is used is a fast growing company, and the job opportunity is about 7%, and yearly it grows as a rate of 7%. It is a fast growing opportunity. It means if you have 100 jobs, in which seven jobs is more in medicinal chemistry. The career for chemist and material scientist, it means pharmaceutical chemist or medicinal chemistry, in different ways. We define one by one. First are agricultural chemist. You see from their name, as an agricultural chemist, it is defined as agriculture means plants or herbs which are used for food, and the chemist means the drug designed by these fast growing plants or herbs, and different way of it means the agricultural chemist is specified for chemistry of organic chemistry and biochemistry, which is related to agricultural product for their processing of agricultural product, for growth of plants, for manufacturing of plant products, and food beverages, etc. Next, analytical chemistry. Analytical chemist, it means you can found job for agricultural chemist in the area of agriculture, food, beverages, and plant growing industries. In analytical chemist is confined on the basic or analytical method chemist. It means like a process development and the different way of analytical method. Some medicines are defined processed by different way of methods, like a short way or long way, but which method you opt is which is decided by analytical chemist. Which method you opt, the method which is cheapest and take shortest duration, you can opt, and this is decided by analytical chemist. Bench chemist is those chemists which is sit on the bench and define chemist, like it is used for calibration. Calibration means some instrument had specific value. After this value, You can decide or testing use for testing of materials, different materials, or the instrument have one of standard value, and you can calibrate those students for accurate testing. So then bench chemist give the process and the way to calibrate your instrument for technical issues in your instrument, and the exact process, yeah, or solvent type which is used in your instrument. This is decided by bench chemist. In normal, we use chemist as a pharmacist, which is sit on medical stores and here and there. Food chemist. Presently, you know that every food have a quality check, and the standard for are already decided for all governments, and these standard are decided by food chemist. And these on the basis of these standards, are these foods are harmful, and these components are present, and the accurate amount which is the lethal dose for any compound. Lethal dose means compound which where their dose is responsible for mortality. It means smallest amount which cause death or cause unusual symptoms is called lethal dose. Then food chemist decided how much quantity required any chemical compound present in food as a food preservative or already present in food is dangerous for human or animal beings, or also for plants. This is decided by food chemist. Forensic chemist. Next is forensic chemist. Forensic chemists are those chemists which are responsible for forensic analysis. Forensic means means analysis of any all plant body or animal body or any material. Like you if anybody caused death, and her or his death are suspicious, then her or his body is given for postmortem, and found these forensic component or external component which is present and the cause of death. These are analyzed by forensic chemist. Formulatory chemistry is basically applied for formulation. Formulation means exact formula or composition which are highly applicable in a body for any Formulary chemist. These are involved in designing and conducting study for developing prototypes of drug, that is analyze their study about clinical trials, pilot study, and panel test, like how can it is affect on human body or animal body. Clinical trial are goes through three different stages. First is the second stage, and advanced stage. In first stage, we can use these testing on drug on simple animals. Then it is fit about mammals, and after in advanced state, it is tested in human beings after their consent of humans and others, and other government personality involved in that roles. Industrial chemists are involved in the production of industrial products and design, run, and troubleshoot improve to chemical and material produced by industry. And it is also involved for environmental pollution control. That is the production of material or chemical are not harm to our environment and other and the human beings around these industries. Inorganic chemistry. The chemists which involved in all other things about organic compounds, that is involvement of chips or behavior or analogous animal elements which is involved in material modified separation, and tools and techniques are known as inorganic chemistry. Material scientists are those scientists which is form material. Basically presently nanomaterials are present in present era, large working era of scientists. Nanoparticles, nanomaterial which is used as a drug, as a other particle, as a soap, as a paint and varnish and other things. Today it means you say that material scientist is the today scientist or our future scientist. Nanomaterial drugs are highly effective on human beings and other plants and animals. Laboratory chemists are those chemists which basically work on laboratories and responsible. These are also related above 10 categories, and it is only involved in laboratory and inform in any drug or formulation in laboratory level. After that, industrial chemist, it is applied in industry level. Metal and alloy scientists are those scientists which are involved in production of metal or alloy scientists are those scientists which are involved in production of alloy. Alloy are those material which are made by use of two or more than two metals, and these are highly durable and strong materials. Like if you use a nickel, and if you use nickel alloy metal is more durable than nickel. Nuclear chemists are involved in nuclear reaction, which is also scientists for production of bomb and nuclear devices, which is used for country safety. And the organic chemistry chemists are those chemists which is involved in the organic material. Or how can define the organic, inorganic, or physical? Organic material are those material which are basically based on carbon material, and basically it is based on all drugs and fooding material are under the organic chemistry. Physical scientists or physical chemists are those chemists which is responsible for any physical assessment of any compound, like there is their solubility, dissolution, strength, steric hindrance, other things. Plastic scientists are those. Basically, plastic word is used for plastic and thermoplastic. Both type commonly used are plastic. Like polythene is also plastic, and plastic pipes are also plastic, and the materials like Teflon are used for cookware is also a plastic, and it is commonly known as plastic scientists. Quality control chemists are those chemists who basically use their formulation for to check quality. It means exactly what amount of any chemical are used which is improve the quality of compound. Basically, we use medicine and the base material. The base material for any medicine are those material which is used for form a tablets. Which quality of base material used, then drug quality increases or improve, or which physical condition are involved for the drug to control quality is assigned by or supervised by quality control chemists. Theoretical chemists draw the theoretical way for any drug formulation and other things, and then apply these other 7 type of chemists in lab and form a drug. And lastly, research and development chemists, those chemists which develop or discover the new formulation or new drug. These are research and development chemists. For agricultural chemistry, you can if you are BSc in agriculture chemistry or MSc in agriculture, you can go through for agricultural chemist. And for analytical chemist, you if you are plain chemistry, neither inorganic nor physical, organic, anything, or you can choose analytical option also, and you can go through analytical chemistry. Bench chemist is basically a plain journal chemistry chemist, and chemists are also pharmacist or chemist. Analytical chemistry is also those chemists which are in pharmaceutical chemistry branch, and these are summarized in medicinal chemistry. Wait,
Thank
slides are disconnected. Please, I reshare.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much for this very nice session.
You have any question, please? Thank you, ma'am.
Have you done, ma'am?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Last
Otherwise,
slide is.
then you can share your presentation, ma'am, and you can start. Yeah, yes, it's visible.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much for this very nice session. If any has any question, you all can ask. I think no one have any question, ma'am. Thank you
Thank you,
so
ma'am.
much all the participants for the active participation. Let me inform to all that this complete session will be available or our Business Rozgar YouTube channel. So if you want to watch it again or want to share it to somebody, please do visit the Business Rozgar YouTube channel. Thanks. And last but not a least, thank you, Sayogita Shahi ma'am, for taking about time for session. With your permission, I would like to end today's session here. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.